Hey everyone, so this is going to be for all the signs, okay? General read slash as I write as per calling or views or something like that. I hope that you all are fine, sending you love all the way from planet Earth. Namaste. Let's start. Also, if you wish to support the channel, I highly appreciate it. I do. You may do so via PayPal, UPI ID. People from India can do so, and my GPay ID is there. It's everything is in the description box. Well, I'm also on Instagram till date. I don't know. The calling is going haywire, but till date I'm there. Okay, yeah, something is going to cross through like an orb. That's what I heard. Like an orb in your life, like it's something that is going to be that you're going to witness, and it's very personal and it's going to be just for you. Okay, there's one card that is out and I am not reading today. I'm not reading today any tarot, like right now, but I took my particular different deck and we're going to read from that. And there is something that is going as if like someone is controlling self, something that they feel for you particularly. Okay, but someone who is control, like there's control. Let's just say together as bottom energy. There are other words, but I do connect different. You may do so whatever you want. Okay, if you see any word, of course you can take it, but I'm also going to repeat that those words. But control, so they said this control, someone is looking towards you, and whoever is observing you, or you're talking, and when they observe you, just look how they observe you. If you observe them, you getting my point? Sometimes people observe you but from far, but sometimes people are there and they talk to you, so observe them because someone is definitely observing you. One, they're the same person is observing you. Second, when you are observing or someone is observing you, there is someone else who's observing you while you observe the other person. So confusing. Hmm. Something is cluttered. Something is cluttered in someone's life and they're getting like just brooming it away, getting rid of that because it's not supposed to be there in their life. This could be stuff accumulated, some maybe literally like furniture, anything could be. Even contacts, people draining them, always asking for favors and all that shit. Okay, always like not helping them, but they've always helped them. That kind of energy. um I do see a caterpillar here, not a butterfly yet, but a caterpillar. She or he, the caterpillar, going to be very beautiful and strong butterfly. This caterpillar is not small. Mm-mm. The caterpillar is huge. Okay, um, might have taken a lot of nutrition. Still on the way. Still on the way. Don't mind. My readings are like that. Okay, so let's just see control, and the word written is a sabotage, conflicts, mood swings, trust issues, manipulation patterns. Now, here I do feel someone is controlling self as well. We're going to go one by one. Feeling sabotaged, okay, or feeling in a certain way in this connection or relationship or marriage, long term live in, okay. Everyone's status of relationship and connections, they're different because everyone's timeline is different, every individual is different. So please take what goes for you or resonate with you, otherwise just let it go. Okay, and don't judge anyone because their life is their life, and they are already struggling, so it's none of our business to hurt them more. Okay, if you can't give them good energy, don't talk about it. Okay, there's this movie Bombay, I suppose, and in that, Rabbit's mother, a bunny, we can say, mm, uh, the child says something to her, and then her mother says, "What did your father said? Daddy said that if you cannot say anything good, say nothing at all." I suppose, right? That was the sentence. Don't hurt them. Don't hurt people regardless. I mean, it's you're just walking and you say something or you give a strange look. Why? Whoa, whoa. Just let them be. Let them be. Their life is also full of struggle. Here I go again preaching. I'm sorry. Okay, so you have Something is going within the connection, like, yes, same as goes conflicts, mood swings. Someone is, there's a pattern, something is like also trust issues, okay? You are unable to trust the person, or someone cannot trust you. There's manipulation and patterns, definitely. I want to emphasize on patterns, okay? Where it is going on, okay? Now, there's one particular card that flipped out, and we are going to start reading. So, you have belief systems, okay? And this is, the word written is facade. Now, what I feel here personally, okay, while I'm channeling, that people, everyone, they do have their own belief systems, like different thinking, different belief systems. It's not necessary that what I feel, you feel the same, right? But if you connect with me on some point, you're going to be like, oh, she's right. But it's not necessary that you like everything of mine, and that is all right, okay? And same goes for me, and that is okay. But it's like, you do you, I do me, and still we can respect each other's boundary, and still we can be friends, or still we can connect, right? Same goes in partnerships. I do feel like if you want to eat, let's just say pulses, I want to eat something else or some other cuisine. What's the matter? I mean, people go like, they go into this compatibility issue. Oh, you don't like protein shake, I like protein. I love to go on walks at 4, why don't you like? Because she doesn't. Shut the F up. So, if these are your compatibility issues, please don't fall in love. Because you're falling in love with a person, with their heart, with their things. And if you love them, just don't try to change them. Like, if my person does love, okay, there are things we can adjust, but a little bit, okay, not the crazy ones. And I would never say him to not wear a particular shirt or t-shirt, um, because I don't like it, or I don't see the way he sees it. It's his choice, right? He is loving that. His favorite color might be that. And also, if he asks me, can you suggest me? Then here you go, you can suggest. Likewise, man, don't tell me what to wear. Don't tell me what to eat. Okay, nobody is crazy, and they are not going to eat hell lot of. They're going to eat as much as they want. Okay? It's none of anyone's business. Everyone in the society, I've seen people preaching, you should not eat this, you should not take tea, you should not take, ice, sugar cubes, you should not, blah, blah, blah. Don't do that. Like, even I think, like, you might have observed that. Again, going preaching peace. So, belief system. So, I do feel like this is not just on individual levels, everyone's belief system. It's also about relationship belief systems. It's about compatibility things and all that stuff. And belief system goes a long way. Like, I do feel when the word is written facade, I'll just show you the cards first, okay? Like, some people may have problem with her dress. I don't have any problem. Like, she's happy, she's wearing it, okay? Then other people have problem. Just simple thing. You know what? I cannot even, resist this without sharing with you, because this is the only platform I can share. There are people who are so, oh my, they they are going to talk shit about, like, as if like they are perfect and the other one is not. Don't do that. Then these people get roasted. You are going to, darling, because you're hurting sentiments, okay? So, the facade, okay? So, someone might be doing this as a facade. Like, you see that, like, they might show something, but might not be that. Where I feel like there is sadness here, there is a disappointment, like, I'm doing it because they want me to, like, under pressure someone is doing it. I see that kind of facade here, at least, okay? And they're doing it because they want you to do, under pressure, under, something. Like, you don't have that peace, you don't have that freedom of your own, like, in something, in certain matter, in certain connection. I don't know if I'm making sense here or not, but I do feel like I am. That she's just looking, she's sitting somewhere. And I do get this as if, like, it's like street or something is also in front. And I felt at the same time this is some religious place as well. I don't know why. I feel like it's like she's sitting. and asking from universe, as if like, if that's not a place, that's some place on, like, there's a rain and everything is clean and someone is on the side pavement or somewhere, she's sitting there and she's looking upstairs, up in this universe and sky, and asking, what is wrong with this world, what is wrong with people, because there is something wrong with society and belief systems. Conditioning, words written, expectations, conformity, evaluating long held beliefs, and awakening. And this situation does turn up when someone will have the awakening. And awakening is different for different energies. And awakening is not like, oh, such a good awakening. No, it's going to crack you open. It's going to make you cry. It's going to hit you rock bottom at times. It's going to make you feel in a certain way that you never felt. You're going to cry when you're on the floor, when someone breaks your heart, and when someone even doesn't break your heart, but you have so many energies pressuring you in a belief system. And personally, I believe that freedom is that you just have this awakening and you don't want to do what people want you to. Like, personally, I don't want to impress anyone at all in this life now. Maybe when in my younger years, more younger, like in my teens and or so, maybe I've done that. Like, if I'm going to apply this, or if I'm going to act like this, or under pressure, maybe sometimes you need to do this. um I just don't want to impress anyone, like, intentionally anymore. Okay, I do get ready the way I like. um Sometimes I get ready like near to dark. I used to get ready, then my calling was like to get a little bit on this side, so I'm going to do what I like. Okay. And I don't know, like, people admire me and my work and I appreciate it, but I've never changed myself. Like, I am what I am. I get annoyed, I get disturbed, I get cranky at times, I am impatient, and I've never said that, oh, I'm just so always sweet. No, I am not. Because if you get triggered, I get a lot of mood swings, darling. I'm telling you that, okay? But my loved ones, they handle me so well that I'm being blessed with such energies. So I want to be just true to myself, and this is what I'm being true to myself while even I'm channeling on, here. So, what's the point of having that facade? So I think I have my own belief system, and I think that I'm no more in some kind of facade. I feel like that, but sometimes I feel like there is something that is a pressure in this society where I also need to break free from many more things. I do feel like, personally. Okay. So that's awakening you're going through. Mostly there is this certain person, maybe I'm talking to, maybe this is very specific card for someone, where they are literally not just, they're confronting to self while sitting somewhere and thinking, what am I doing? What do I want to do? Okay? That may be also the control. Look, that's the top card. And this is what written is temptations. Temptation, self deception. What does it say? Especially self deception. Many people are into self deception, like believing and shouldn't believe, believing the wrong, and not arguing, accepting it. Again, belief systems. There's a lot. Deception, make wise choices. You need to make a wise choice. And that is what is like in circle. I don't know. There are weird things like you're a caterpillar, and you've got all the nutrition, but someone is not letting you be a butterfly. They want you to just stroll in their particular area and never get wings. You understand me? Like, you are super healthy, super nutrition, like, is there in your body and everything in your life, but you are still not flying. Where, like, your wings being trimmed again and again, or you're being manipulated or convinced for no reason, and you're like, why am I here? Why am I strolling here? like maybe in the same job, or maybe, something else. Okay, but you're just there, and you shouldn't be there where you are now, if that makes sense. Like, maybe you were thinking about joining somewhere, choosing something that you always wanted to, and someone is telling you, or from your home or anywhere, you should not, you should stay there, you should. But your mind and your heart is saying, I shouldn't be here. Like, that's a regular, like a quarrel with yourself. Self analysis. Let's see what is coming for you. Okay, they said there's going to be a love chapter in your life soon to bloom. That's what they said. Love chapter in your life soon to bloom. Someone is literally going to be flying in your life like this. Like this, and you're going to be, like you're working and you're like, like as if like you're in your office, okay, organization, and you're in your cubicle or your room or wherever, and they just come around and like from behind they say hi, and you're like, hi. Okay, so yes, something is coming in your life. Your card is the World card. New cycle. So beautiful. New cycle. Karmic completion, travel. Some of you are going to travel soon. Fulfillment. And some of you are going to travel and leaving the old place or something, and you're going to see, oh, I have this. Wow. And you're no longer a caterpillar, darling. You're a butterfly now. So travel is there. Fulfillment. You're going to feel this in the season to come, in the phase to come, in the era to come. Okay, and you have success after the quest. Success after the quest. Success. There are 2 times success written. So whatever you're planning on doing, whatever you're trying to do, the world is also indication of course, traveling other side, traveling somewhere far. For some of you, it's you have completed and you have now opening, you're free, fulfillment. Nice. Okay, yeah, I told about love and everything, and you have Venus, offer. In the words, romance, love, beauty, creative arts, wealth, harmony, attraction, and offer. Now, this offer could be taking you to a place where this is again connected with arts, creativity, also romance. So you're going to find possible harmony somewhere. Attraction is there, like you're not just attracted to a place, but maybe someone is going to get attracted to you. So maybe, so an offer, okay. And I'm going to just stop, and I'm going to see the bottom card, and I'm just going to read it, okay? Structure, nice. Foundation. So your next thing, your next cycle that we talked about, new cycle, is going to have a foundation, it's going to have a base, it's going to have a proper thinking and organization. You have a foundation, structure, okay? Do you see the organized things here? Okay, whatever those are, bowls or something. But you also have wants to build a foundation, balance, building, slow and steady, forming. Something is going to start building, forming, and something is going to have a foundation, whether it's a new cycle of like love, friendship, or something that you're learning, your work, everything is going to be flowing in a good direction. So now whatever you're planning and having, this is going to be structured, okay, proper foundation. You're breaking free from belief systems, you're breaking free from any kind of facade, you're no longer going to be stuck in there. New cycle is going to be there, you're going to feel like wow, awakened and fulfillment. Okay, take care and see you soon. Bye.